Okay, I came outside to investigate. Well, I got off work and heard these. I hope you can hear them over the wind. I'm not sure what they are. They sound like some kind of duck. They're like talking back and forth. So I went in and got my phone because you can't hear them inside, but I could hear them because I just got off work and now they just stopped. So I hope this is picking it up. I'm gonna try to get closer to one to where the sound's coming from. I can't see them, but I'm very curious what they are. They seem to be coming from this direction and that direction, so in front of me and behind me. They went quiet. So I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna walk back this way and see, because I know there's one in these bushes, so I'm gonna walk back and see if I could pick him up. If I sit still. There he is. There's multiple of them. I can't see them, like I said. I'm gonna post this and I'm gonna, you know, like tag Jacksonville, Florida. If anybody knows what these are, please tell me. Over this direction. They're making a lot of noise. I'm just so curious. I just love nature. Okay, that's all. Bye.